English pronouns. English pronouns, small words, big meaning. Today, let's learn the words that make our sentences clearer. Personal pronouns: I, we, you, she, he, it, they. We use these instead of naming a specific person or thing. Example: she is reading a book. Possessive pronouns. They show ownership, who something belongs to. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Example: that is his car. Reflexive pronouns. It is used when the subject and the object are the same person or thing. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, and themselves. Example: I made the cake myself. Demonstrative pronouns. They point to specific people or things near or far. This, that, these, and those. Example: these are my friends. Indefinite pronouns. They refer to people or things that are not specific. Someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, everything. Example: everyone should be kind. Interrogative pronouns, used to ask questions about people or things. Who, whom, whose, which, and what. Example: who is at the door? Relative pronouns, they introduce a clause that describes a noun. Who, whom, whose, which, and that. Example: the girl who won the prize is happy. Attributive pronouns, they refer to members of a group one at a time. Each, every, neither, both, or. Example: each student has a notebook.